the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. But it is not anything at all. Self-originating clear light is exhausted within equanimity. This is beyond the objectives of our demarcated conventionalities. The middle way is beyond any visualization. It is a path of honesty. The sky that has no position is the limit of our fullness. It is clear. It is a transmission that is beyond visualizations and engagements, without exaggeration and without blame. This is the space of our awareness. Effortless perfection is a transmission that is meaningful. We maintain our experience of clear awareness. It is not to be discussed. It is through the purity of our not discussing it that we use the language of our discussion to hold the wheel, and with the specifics on the themes that we discuss, we put unspeakable awareness into a system. The unspeakable is a topic that is to be discussed. The unspeakable is put into a system by speaking. When we understand the path of the unspeakable dominion of the Dharma, we will be beyond all speaking and not speaking. In the supreme speech of the King of Speakers, we do not work to hold on to refutations and proofs. Through speaking, we have a way to understand the unspoken. The Prakrit is to be understood clearly. The unspoken uses the delusional words that we say, so when we do not exemplify our awareness, just as it is, our self-luminous wisdom will be the finest door. This is not an idea. It is beyond the pathways of methods. When we use the transmissions and the Upadesha instructions of our gurus, we lack the force of our own awareness, just as it is. So we use the language and words of our own reverted understandings to write degenerate tantras on the practice of secrets. This is like the blind leading the blind. We fall into the great crevice of our aversion. We become associates of the world, and we become causes for the destruction of the secrets. This is not the way it is. It is corrupt.